Checkpoint 14.3.2 show the output of the following JavaFX program. Okay, we are talking about this test class. Normally, Java application doesn't need the application class, but this is JavaFX. So we are using application class belongs to JavaFX. That's sufficient enough. But we are using NetBeans IDE or IntelliJ. You need one main methods. Okay, so that you can launch JavaFX application. But if you're going to run this JavaFX application command line, this is not necessary. So if I refresh it, the first one, that means going to look at main methods. So it's going to print this, launch application, and then launch. That means we are going back to application class. And this is a default constructor. Okay, so this is going to be printed. Test constructor is invoked. Then it's going to invoke the start methods. Okay, because that start method is in application class, we are going to override it. So this is going to be printed. Start method is invoked. So this is the first one. That's the second output. That will be the last output. Let's have a look. Okay, here, launch application. Test constructor is invoked, and then start method is invoked. That's all. Thank you.